Hello everyone, this is Mehmet, tropical guy. Today we will talk about this beauty, Pachira, money tree. Pachira, aka money tree plants, are native from Mexico to northern South America. These trees can get up to 18 meters in their native habitats, but we generally see them in florists in small pots. First question. Why this tree called as money tree? The plants get their name because of Feng Shui practice. Feng Shui practice believes that this plant will bring luck to its owner. Let's talk about the basic needs of this tree. How to care for Pachira tree. Money plant care is easy, but there are just a few conditions to be followed. This tree loves moisture, but you should never let it stand in water. Therefore, keeping this plant in a good planter with a good drainage is essential. So other thing that you should follow, position it in indirect sunlight. Watering consistently this plant is essential. So be sure that 1 or 2 times per week is enough for this plant to water. Also be sure that water it until the drain holes pouring water. It is also recommended to fertilize this plant 3 or 4 times per year. So you should use a water-soluble fertilizer. That will be best for the plant. So the question, what is the ideal temperatures and living conditions for the Pachira tree? The Pachira tree classified as a tropical plant. Temperatures between 16 and 18 degrees are ideal for the plant. These plants do their best when they are in full sun to partial shade. Also be in mind that Pachira tree like moisture. The general problem with the Pachira tree, if you grow it indoors, is leaves turning yellow. So why this happens? The problem is that the indoors has low amount of humidity, so you should increase the humidity in indoors. If humidity indoors is low, you should increase the humidity, otherwise the leaves will go yellow. You shouldn't move your tree in indoors frequently, otherwise it will start to drop its leaves. So that's a must. Try not to move the plant around a lot. Let the plant soil dry between waterings. If you live in a place that has a Mediterranean or more warmer climates, you can grow outside. It's okay. You can also move your Pachira tree outside in summertime, but with a partial sunlight place. That will be fine, but do not forget to move it back in before fall. The other basic question is when to repot Pachira tree. This plant should be repotted in each 2 years with a good peat mixture. And do not forget, the Pachira trees inside indoors are generally bonsai trees. They can't be big enough like in their native habitats. It is recommended to fertilize your plant in each 2 weeks for a good care. You can use liquid plant food, but you shouldn't fertilize in winter time. Thank you for watching this video. Please write your comments and ask your questions below this video, and please watch my other videos and follow my channel as well. I will appreciate it. Thank you again.